I'm so stupid.
Well, my first year, living waters. It's so hot in this fish. I wish that my good friend Casey Crowshore could teach me how to stay cool at Camp Living Waters.
How to do? You rang? You know I do. Wait till you see what I have for you.
Would you like a roll call?
Boy, would I ever.
All right. What are we doing today, Casey? Well, are we making air conditioning? Although right now might not be the best time because I see there's some. Well, I need an umbrella. Oh, drizzle.
But for now, let's get some air conditioning. Let me show you a little couple things that I found along my journey. Let's see. Oh, this is one of my personal favorites. I'll start out with this.
Let us show the front. We stay for breezy here. We stay very breezy.
You see, you just have the fan running. Okay. Plugged in, you know.
Okay.
And just go.
Air conditioning. Oh, air conditioning. Now what else we got here?
Wintercrest.
Ooh, why don't you explain to him what wintercrest is?
Wintercrest is an all natural thing. It helps a lot of things that are in pain or hurt. And you if you got a bug bite, you just go. Wintercrest. Did you know it is also like an icy hot where you put it on and it hot and cools you down. So all you gotta do when you're sweating is go.
I'm real sweaty, but now I like to think of this as like a spicy Vaseline.
And when you're hot, it cools you down. Air conditioning.
And if you would like a bonus with this wintercrest, spray it with Febreze.
Air conditioning.
Into the air conditioning.
Okay.
All right.
This is one of my dealers. Yeah, you just get a whole bunch of just.
And bonus, if you have the Febreze, air conditioning, and you got the wintercrest, and you got it running all at once, you will be staying cool at living waters.
Took them to the fan.
You got to the fan. And if you're really looking to get creative, the way that fans work, it takes the ooh, that wintercrest burns on your face. Air conditioning. It takes the air from the back and blows it forward. So you just gotta, and then you got a triple threat. Air conditioning.
Okay. We got a couple more things.
I almost ate this. I didn't do it bad.
Oh, double spray.
Oh, double spray.
Let's go.
Air conditioning.
Okay.
Perfect for when you're in FOB.
Oh, let me tell you this.
Or before you're going to. Oh, and here we have the wet ones. The wet ones. Now, what you can do with the wet ones, they can function much like the tissues, except you lay them upon you, upon your neck. You make yourself a wet ones T-shirt. And with that, you get the Febreze. You stay Febreze, and then you get the fans, and you get the wintercrest, and you just put it on. Air conditioning at Living Waters. Oh man, it sure is nice to stay nice and cool.
Boy, is it ever. But you see, I hear people are calling me. They want to know about some air conditioning too. I gotta run.
Oh, well, thank you so much, Casey Crowshore,
Oh,
for
no problem.
keeping me Febreze.
Oh, give me that.
Oh, that's your one. Not bad.
You call me anytime you need some
Oh,
air
no, I will.
conditioning.
Thank